Hey guys! Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to reset all settings on the iPhone 12 without deleting any saved user data and media content. Every iPhone has different reset options lined up on the General Settings menu. You can use any of these resets whenever you wish to return your iPhone settings to their defaults. The reset that I demonstrate in this tutorial video is the one that works by restoring the default settings without erasing your content. This reset is often recommended before performing a full system reset or iOS restore on an iPhone or iPad. Here's how to reset all settings on the iPhone 12 without deleting any saved data or media content from the internal storage. First, tap the Settings icon from the home screen to launch the main Settings menu with all the built-in iOS features and services. To continue, find and then tap General. Another menu opens, highlighting General Settings and options that you can manage. Scroll down to the bottom of the list. Then, tap Reset. Different reset options will load up on the next screen. Tap Reset all settings from the given options. Then, enter your passcode if prompted. After entering the passcode, you will see a pop-up warning at the bottom of the screen. Read the warning message, then tap Reset all settings to proceed. If prompted with the final warning, tap the command to confirm reset. The phone will then start deleting all custom settings including network settings, keyboard dictionary, home screen layout, privacy settings, location settings and saved Apple Pay cards. After the reset, automatic system reboot follows. Just wait for the iPhone to finish rebooting and you should be all set to reconfigure and re-enable individual settings and features, particularly those that are disabled by default. And that's how to reset all settings without deleting user data and media contents on the iPhone 12. If you find our contents useful, please help our channel grow by leaving a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon should you wish to get notified of our latest tutorial upload. Thank you for watching.